Hey there, are you sweating buckets at home during this scorching summer but don't have electricity to power a fan or AC? Well, don't sweat it, literally. I'm here to share some cool tips on how to beat the heat without the need for electrical gadgets. First up, let's talk about the power of water. Simple, right? Fill a spray bottle with water and give yourself a spritz now and then. The water evaporates off your skin, taking some of the heat with it. You can enhance this cooling effect by setting up bowls of ice near windows or in front of a battery-powered fan to chill the air as it moves around your room. Now, while we're on the subject of ice, here's a nifty trick. Freeze a couple of water bottles and place them in front of a portable battery-operated fan. As the ice melts, the fan will blow cooler air around the room. This little DIY air conditioner can make a significant difference. What about your windows? During the day, keep your blinds or curtains closed to block out the sun's rays. Sunlight can significantly increase the temperature inside your house. Consider using light-colored curtains that reflect rather than absorb heat. At night, open those windows up. If it's cooler outside, let that fresh, cool air sweep through your house. Okay, moving on to your wardrobe choices. Wear loose, light-colored clothing. Dark colors absorb heat, and tight clothes prevent your body from cooling effectively. Opt for natural fabrics like cotton, which allow your skin to breathe more than synthetic materials. Ever thought about your bedding? Switch to cotton sheets, which are cooler than flannel or polyester. And if it gets really hot, here's a cool hack. No pun intended. Place your sheets in a plastic bag and stick them in the fridge for a few hours before bed. Trust me, it's like sleeping in a cool breeze. Let's not forget hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help lower your body temperature and replace the fluids lost through sweat. You can also munch on cool snacks like watermelon or cucumber, which are full of moisture and naturally refreshing. Lastly, consider spending time in the lowest level of your home if you live in a multi-story house. Heat rises, so the coolest part of your home will naturally be the basement or the ground floor. Set up a comfortable space there where you can relax during the hottest parts of the day. So there you have it, folks. Staying cool without electricity is all about being a bit clever with what you have around you. Use water, adjust your environment, dress smartly, and keep yourself hydrated. Follow these tips, and you'll be able to keep your cool, power or no power. Stay chill and take care.